Today my topic लोग क्या कहेंगे Moise Shokat. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I want to share an important message from लोग क्या कहेंगे by Moise Shokat. Many people stopping cashing their dreams because they are about that other will say they favor future, but the trust is that people will always have optional. If you keep waiting for everyone approval, your many never achieve your goal. Success come when you believe in yourself, hard work and trust Allah. Do not let the favor of that will people say control your life. Focus on your purpose, your rules and your future. Your life is responsibly follow your dream, stay positive and keep moving forward. अगर आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो इस वीडियो को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। शुक्रिया।